Good evening, YouTube. Remember I told you guys I had something planned for y'all? Something to show, something I was working towards behind the scenes? Well, voila. Here's my network rack. And prior to building this rack, I recently purchased this house last year in October. And I got all the cables in the house pulled down to the basement. You can see they left some slack here just in case if I need to move it around. And some slack down here. And before getting the cables installed and pulled, I have two dedicated power outlets for something else that we'll be working on after I get my rack and everything together. So let's go over the rack and what I have here. I have the Spectrum modem, have a patch panel. I'm waiting for the Ubiquiti patch panel to come in stock so I can replace this and get it, inside here. I don't like the raggedy look it gives, but it's due for now. And these are all the cables in the house pulled here. And on the first row, we have the Ubiquiti Enterprise Fortress Gateway. Now this is my second one. The first one I had, which was last year around spring. I used it once, make sure it was working and everything. A couple months later, when I was getting ready to use it, setting up this home network, I was having a update error boot loop. So I couldn't get it to fix, and they couldn't help me as well, so they sent me another one, and they sent me this. And down here, I have the Ubiquiti aggregation switch, all 10 gig ports over here. And here I have my firewall. I have my US Pro 16 switch down here. And yes, it's down there because I don't have the mounting bracket to put up here just yet. And I have my UPS. And how it all connected come from my modem. I have it connecting to here, port 1 of my Fortress Gateway. And from here, hold up, that was weird. Okay, from here, it's kind of like a loose cable. Okay, so from here, I have a cable going down to my firewall. So the traffic is going through Fortress down to here, and from the port from the firewall is going to my aggregation switch. So basically, I have the internet coming to the house, going through a double filtration. With the firewall, I have more visibility and control. And also, when the device is connected to the network, I can put it, have it where it'll quarantine the device, and the device won't have internet access unless I approve it, which is another great thing. And it's just another tool I can use to monitor traffic. And from here, I have it connected to my US Pro 16 switch down here. And this is where everything else is connected to. I have my cloud storage NAS right here, connected to the 10 gig port right here on my aggregation switch. And that's pretty much it for now. And this rack that I have here is pretty temporary. I'm waiting on the 42U or 32U rack that Ubiquiti has, the tall one. I really want that. I think it costs like $1,000. I'm waiting on it. And of course, if I know anyone who can send me a patch panel, Ubiquiti patch panel, I would greatly appreciate that. And the reason why I got those power outlets is because I will be working towards my own AI data center, building my own AI, which I've done numerous times. But actually, I have the space to actually expand upon that. And another thing, yes, I will be getting cameras sometime this year, preferably spring, going to the summer. And the people who did my cable installation, they were for me to get the cameras, and then they're going to add some more drops, to the outside of the house. 2 on the sides, 2 on the left, 1 in the back of the house, and 1 in front of the garage. I want to get the PTZ industrial camera, because of his AI's features. And then we're going from there. Now back to the rack. I do want to add a 48 port switch, but I don't know which way I want to go. Maybe 1 gig, but I wanted to have PoE as well. So I'll probably just do a 48 port switch, gigabit switch for all things that doesn't require like 10 gigs or faster speeds. And I upgrade this aggregation switch to the other one that has more 10 gig ports for expansion purposes, future proof. And I will begin a PDU, connect all the devices to that instead to have one cable connect to here, so that way I won't overload it if I put other things on here. So they're pretty much the plan for now. Like, comments, and subscribe. Thank you.